The board doesn't want an org chart. They want to know where the money leaks. So Phase B starts with a question nobody in the kickoff actually asked out loud. What does this business do? Not who reports to who. Not which system runs what it does as a set of capabilities, and which of those capabilities are quietly bleeding revenue every single day. A capability map lists what the business does, independent of org structure and independent of systems. Karoo has capabilities like process a sale, manage customer loyalty, fulfill an online order, manage inventory visibility. Notice none of those are department names. Manage customer loyalty isn't marketing's job or IT's job. It's a capability the business needs, regardless of who currently owns it. Draw the business by what it does, and the conversation stops being about departments defending their turf. Now trace one value stream end to end, because a value stream is where capabilities prove themselves. Buy online, collect in store. A customer places an order on the e-commerce site. That's fulfill an online order. The order needs to reserve stock at a specific branch. Right now, not overnight. That's manage inventory visibility. The customer walks in to collect. That's process a sale, again, at the till. 3 capabilities, 1 customer journey, and it breaks at exactly the seam we already know about. From episode 1, fulfill an online order and manage inventory visibility. Don't talk to each other, so the stock reservation is wrong. Often enough that staff either turn away a paying customer standing at the till or oversell something that already sold out online. 1 value stream, 2 capabilities that don't talk. That's where the money leaks. Once you've named the capabilities, you rate each one, baseline and target, on a maturity scale. Manage customer loyalty. Baseline, ad hoc, a spreadsheet the marketing team maintains by hand. Target, automated, real-time, 1 loyalty balance, no matter where the customer shops. Fulfill an online order. Baseline, disconnected from inventory. Target, real-time stock visibility across every channel. You're not scoring effort or head count. You're scoring how well the capability actually does its job today, against how well it needs to do that job for the vision from Phase A to be real. Now overlay all of that as heat, color every capability by the size of its gap, how far baseline sits from target. Most of Karoo's capabilities are a light amber, fine for now, not urgent, not where the budget goes. 2 capabilities light up red, fulfill an online order, and manage inventory visibility. Not because they're the biggest capabilities on the map, because they're the ones with the biggest gap between where they are and where the vision from Phase A actually needs them to be. That's the investment case in one picture, and it's exactly the 2 capabilities the customer's buy online collect in store journey broke on a moment ago. Next episode, we go 1 level down into Phase C, data and application architecture, and find out there are 14 systems inside Karoo holding 9 different versions of the same customer. See you there.